everyone, my name's Hattie. Today I'm making cheesecake. First I need my ingredient. This is my sister. Her name's Abby. There we go. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail so it doesn't go in the food. There we go. Let's get started. My ingredients are icing sugar, chocolate milk powder, butter, biscuit, but I'm using chocolate biscuit, and cream cheese. Utensil you will need a Ziploc bag, a small measuring jug, a glass bowl, a little dish to put it in, a wooden spoon and metal spoons, one big one, one small one, and a butter knife. Okay, let's get on the cooking. First we need biscuits and a bag. Okay, we're going to put them in the bag. Shut the bag. Now we need our wooden spoon. And now hit them with the wooden spoon until we have crumbs. Just like that. Pour it into my bowl. Just like that. Look. Now we need butter and our jug and the little spoon. Open your butter and scoop it into the jug. Put it in the microwave until it melts. Pour your butter onto the biscuit crumbs. Scoop the rest out with the spoon. Once you've done that, give it a stir. You might want to add more biscuit. Make sure all the biscuit is stuck together. Make sure the butter covers all of it. Put it in my dish. Pat it down with a spoon. Make sure it's all compact. It should look like they're all stuck to the bottom. That's it for the base. Spread that to the side. We need my chocolate milk powder, cream cheese, my big spoon, my big bowl, and my icing sugar. First we need to scoop in the cream cheese. 3 scoops of chocolate milk powder. 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. Give it a stir. 1 scoop of icing sugar. Now give it a stir. If you want, add more chocolate. Now get your base. Scoop your chocolate cheese onto your biscuits. Smooth it out. Just like that. Put it in the fridge. Now you can lick the spoon. I put some toppings to make it better. I put some on squirty cream and cookie crumbs. And back in the fridge. I really hope it tastes good. If you make it, I hope yours is good too. This was really fun. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!